Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Hiwildoo brand, or Level 2 Smart Electric Vehicle Charger for home use, indoor, outdoor. This is the box that came in. We're going to open this up and show you what comes inside, how it's safely packed. So they have protective foam right here, nice thick layer. Here is the manual right there. Charger unit and the holder for your garage wall. Let's take this out and look at all the components. So here's everything out of the packaging. You have the charger itself. You've got the input 240 volt plug right there, the NEMA 1450. You have the J1772 output with a silicone cover on there. You have the Tesla J1772 adapter to the Tesla plug right there. Really heavy duty quality. It's got a lot of weight to it. You have the wall mounted adapter piece that holds the plug, so you can put it on your wall. This goes on your wall, inside the wall or right on the outside. Has the hardware for that, and then the hardware and the adapter to hold the charger right there. So let's go over some of the important things about this device. This is UL rated, and for safety, which is an important thing when you're dealing with 240 volts. It's FCC certified, which is important, which means that it's not going to send out a strong signal to cause interference in your house. And CE is certified, which looks at some of the electrical connections and the materials used. And the NEMA 1450 plug is very heavy duty because it's got to handle the amperage out of here. And they give a nice, generous, long length, about 2 feet, which I really like. And of course, this is 25 feet long, the output of this, and it's a real heavy gauge wire also. And this is also Energy Star rated, which means that the efficiency of that unit to convert 240 volts to the voltage that your charger uses, which could be several hundred volts, is very efficient. So that's why it's Energy Star rated. So this adapter right here makes it compatible with all Teslas, and this plug right here makes it adaptable to all EVs that are on the market. Let's take this piece off right here so you can see. And you can see the J1772 right there, which is an industry standard. This will fit Tesla, Ford, Kia, Chevrolet, BMW, Audi, Hyundai, Mazda, Jeep, and Porsche. I'm going to be testing this on my 2000 Kona EV Hyundai. This company also provides 24/7 customer support, which is great. If you have any trouble with installation, they'll help you in technical assistant. This uses a smart app for easy, intelligent, insightful, and we're going to learn what app to use. We're going to be looking at this manual to learn how to get this app going. And with that app, you can manage your charging schedules, adjust charging current, share devices with other specially upgraded safer chip with leakage protection, over voltage, under voltage protection, lightning protection, short circuit protection, all built inside there. So when you put this on your 240 volts, you know that it's safe. It's also UL listed, as I mentioned. This is all IP66 waterproof and dustproof, which means that it's rated for outdoor weather. You can spray water right into this, it won't affect it. That's what that rating's for. So you can charge at any time regardless of the weather, because this is extra grade antifreeze cable. Can bend even on cold. This has a rating of down to like minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty amazing. This unit weighs with the cable about 13.6 pounds, and it's about 19 by 10.4 by 9 inches. It's manufactured by Shenzhen Qingchang Electronics Company Limited. This will be able to put out 7,000 watts if you're willing to accept that on this J1772. I'm going to be putting 24 amps into my Kona EV. That's typically what I charge it with, but this will support up to 32 amps as long as you have the NEMA 1450 on there and you're willing to send that much to your vehicle. Some vehicles can handle 7,000 watts, some handle less than that. But it's all here, and we're going to be testing this out and hooking it up. And another unique thing is that this has a very large 4.3-inch LCD display, and that's going to allow you to see what's going on with the product. There is a label right there that does show you everything about the ratings of the product and the model number, which is Q6 LCD4, and the company who manufactures it. And there's also a serial number on there also when it was manufactured. But that large display is really nice, and we're going to see how that looks when we power this up. And the manual does tell you how to install the J1772 on the wall, and also how to install the unit using this bracket right here, and how to use the included anchors. They point out that the charger should be about 1.5 meters from the ground position if you're going to mount it on the wall. And they show you what app you're going to use. You could use the Tuya or the Smart Life app. You can get it at the App Store or Google Play. And you're going to be using 2.4 gigahertz network, and they tell you how to connect it to your Wi-Fi in your home. And they have contact information. You can contact them on WhatsApp, or you can send emails. There's 3 different emails you could use if you have any questions about setup. On the side of the unit, there's an emergency stop button that you can push, and it closes and it shuts off power to the charging the battery. And you see these clockwise arrows, that's how you reset it. You go clockwise and it pops back out, allowing charging again. Here I am in my garage where I have my 30 amp 240 volt NEMA 1430, and it goes converting to a 1450, and I have the new charger connected right here. And you could see that I didn't run any apps yet or anything, but the display came up and it says please connect EV. So we're going to see if we can get this to work using a display without any app. So here's the Kona EV, and we're going to plug it in and test this. And you see it registers, there's a click right there. So the display is blinking, and so it's defaulting to 7 kilowatts, 240 volts. So it looks like we're going to have to get the app going, because I want to lower that current down to 24 amps. So after about a minute and a half, it started on its own, and it's ramping up the current. I think it's still set to 7 kilowatt hours, which is a little high for my car. So I want to really drop it down to 24 amps. So let's just see if I can get the app going. I'm going to try the Tuya app because it looks like it detected the charger. Now we can put the password in again. So it looks like it added it successfully. Now we can hit done. So there it came up, and now you can see it has the voltage phase, the current, 30.4, and the power. Now we want to be able to adjust that down for this car. So in the settings there is charging current. So we could move this down up to 24 amps right there, confirm it. And now it's going to go to 24 amps, and it's safe for that vehicle, the Kona EV. So the app actually worked, and it dropped down the kilowatt hours to 5.4, so it's now 24 amps, and now it's limiting the current based on what the battery needs. It'll take about an hour and a half to charge. We're going to let it run. So here I'm in my Kona EV, and you can see on the display right there, it's at 76%, and it's charging at 5.6 kilowatt hours, which is what I use the app to adjust. So that worked fine. So here's the app again, and you notice you could turn the device off, and there's all the status right there on the bottom with the voltage and the charging current and the kilowatt hours. Very simple to use, the Tuya app. Now it's more towards the last 45 minutes of charging, and you see it told me that it's charged 5.8 kilowatt hours, and still got more to go, but it's nice that it gives you a status so that you know how much is going into your vehicle without even using the app. So after testing, what do I think about the Hiwildoo brand or Level 2 Smart Electric Vehicle Charger, which will handle up to 32 amps as I showed, indoor, outdoor, NEMA 1450 plug, 25-foot cable, 240 volts, J172 Tesla adapter included. As I demonstrated, this thing worked even without the app. It was working, but if you want to control the current, you can use that app I showed and you get perfect charging regulation. And that long cable allows you to reach any electric car, whether it's in the front like on the Kona, or it's in the back or the side. I love the long cable and the mount that it comes with, so you can plug it right on the wall. Very simple to use, and it worked really well. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There will be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.